What buyers need to know about older Florida homes. Across Florida, older homes continue to attract buyers drawn to established neighborhoods, mature landscaping, and architectural character that newer construction often lacks. In areas like Pinellas County, where many homes were built decades ago, these properties make up a significant portion of available inventory. Yet, purchasing an older home in Florida involves considerations that extend beyond aesthetics. Climate, insurance requirements, and evolving building standards all shape the risks and responsibilities associated with these properties. For buyers, understanding these factors is essential to making an informed decision. Why older homes remain in demand. Older homes often offer features that are difficult to replicate today. Larger lots, central locations, and unique design elements can make them appealing alternatives to newer developments. In Pinellas County, many established neighborhoods provide proximity to beaches, downtown areas, and employment centers. These location advantages frequently sustain demand, even as buyers weigh the potential costs of maintenance and upgrades. However, the same age that gives these homes character can also introduce structural and mechanical concerns. Roof age and insurance considerations. One of the most critical factors when evaluating an older Florida home is the roof. Insurance providers in Florida closely assess roof age and condition due to the state's exposure to storms and hurricanes. Many insurers have strict guidelines regarding the maximum age of a roof they will cover. A roof nearing the end of its lifespan can affect both insurability and financing. Buyers may be required to replace it before closing or soon after purchase, adding a significant upfront expense. In Pinellas County, where coastal weather conditions can accelerate wear, roof inspections and documentation are often a central part of the transaction process. Electrical and plumbing systems. Older homes may contain electrical or plumbing systems that no longer meet modern standards. Outdated electrical panels or wiring can present safety concerns and may be flagged during inspections or by insurance providers. Similarly, older plumbing materials, such as galvanized pipes, may be prone to corrosion or reduced water pressure. Upgrading these systems can improve safety and efficiency, but it also represents a potential cost that buyers should factor into their overall budget. The importance of a 4-point inspection. In Florida, older homes often require a 4-point inspection as part of the insurance process. This inspection focuses on 4 key areas: the roof, electrical system, plumbing, and HVAC. Its purpose is to assess the condition and remaining life of these components. For buyers, the results of a 4-point inspection can influence both insurance eligibility and coverage costs. In some cases, issues identified during the inspection must be addressed before a policy can be issued. HVAC systems and climate impact. Florida's climate places continuous demand on heating and cooling systems, particularly air conditioning. In older homes, HVAC systems may be nearing the end of their useful life. Replacing a system can be a significant investment, especially given the importance of reliable cooling in the region. Buyers should review the age, maintenance history, and efficiency of existing systems to better understand future replacement timelines. Flood risk and elevation. Flood risk is another important consideration, particularly in coastal areas. Older homes in Pinellas County may have been built before current floodplain regulations were established. As a result, elevation levels may differ from modern construction standards. Buyers should review flood zone designations and consider whether flood insurance is required. Elevation certificates, when available, can provide additional clarity on potential risk and insurance costs. Permits and past renovations. Many older homes have undergone renovations over the years. While updates can enhance value, they also raise questions about whether the work was completed with proper permits. Unpermitted additions or modifications can create complications during inspections, appraisals, or future resale. Buyers should verify that major improvements were properly documented and approved. Maintenance and long-term costs. Owning an older home often involves ongoing maintenance. From aging materials to systems that require periodic upgrades, these properties may demand more attention than newer homes. While some buyers appreciate the opportunity to restore or modernize a property, others may prefer the predictability of newer construction. Understanding the likely maintenance needs can help buyers plan financially and avoid unexpected expenses. Local market perspective. In Pinellas County, older homes remain a central part of the housing landscape. Their appeal is often tied to location, character, and availability, particularly in areas where new construction is limited. At the same time, insurance trends, climate factors, and regulatory requirements continue to shape how these homes are evaluated. Buyers who approach these properties with a clear understanding of both benefits and risks are better positioned to make sound decisions. The bottom line: older Florida homes offer distinct advantages, from established neighborhoods to unique architectural features. However, they also require careful evaluation of structural systems, insurance considerations, and long-term maintenance needs. For buyers, the key is not to avoid older homes, but to approach them with informed expectations. With thorough inspections, proper documentation, and a realistic understanding of costs, these properties can represent both a practical and rewarding investment.